Hey guys, and welcome back to Mary J's Haul. So I am here with Ryan Hogue from Ryan Hogue's Passive Income today, and we are going to talk to you guys about the worst start to the month I know I have ever had in merch, but is it one of the worst months you've ever seen as well in terms of someone else's account?
I think in like real terms, this has to be the worst start of all time, at least that I've seen. Although I will reference a really bad month in general, but this has to be the worst start to the month ever.
Well, at that same time, guys, I think 8 sales on Tuesday was my maximum amount of sales that I've ever made in one day, coming in with $41 royalties, which was great. But I knew there was going to be repercussions to pay, and I knew it because the shirts were Halloween shirts, and people were ordering them way too close to Halloween. So I figured my return rate was going to be high this month.
You called it. Yeah, that day you literally called it. So
yeah,
you were right.
But yeah, so this month I am starting off with not only 0 sales, but negative $15.55 in the hole. As you guys can see, my previous month was 88 sales, which is usually pretty good for me. I think I've had another month or two where I've made 88 sales, and those have been my best months. And so, yeah.
Yeah, $419 earned on the 88 sales. That's good. That's a good October.
Yeah, I mean, I'm definitely a little bit pickier with my pricing. I'm a little hardcore with my pricing. Greedier, but that results in, I guess, bigger returns, or just
and on the
bigger loss when you get returns.
Yeah, well, returns, this is a specific case of a holiday's coming. People probably see the Prime checkbox and assume that it's going to be here in 2 days.
Yeah.
And don't realize that not everything works that way.
Yeah.
Something cool that they do around Christmas every year is they typically will put in red letters on Amazon products in general, not just merch, will arrive before Christmas or arrives after Christmas.
Yeah, I've definitely seen that before too. I don't think that happens on the merch side of things though, with Halloween at least.
Right, and that's something that's worth. I think that's really the takeaway from this video is it's man, if they could have just, but how do they know? They'd have to add a new database field for each merch listing that says
Halloween
holiday association, and we would put Halloween.
Yeah.
But hey, merch developers, if you're listening, that would actually work. I mean, in theory, it would work. If they can do it for Christmas, they can for sure do it.
No, I think the responsibility actually falls on the seller. I probably should have taken them. Well, I don't want to take them down because they're good selling shirts and they're already ranked BSR wise, but there's nothing that I could have done to prevent this.
No, and merch made changes to their content policy basically to make it so that sellers can't post messages like that. In theory, you could try and maybe it gets through, but they really don't want us saying ships from the United States and ships in 2 days. If you say the word ships, it's probably going to get rejected.
That's crazy. But yeah, overall, recently got tiered up. Super excited for that. Got to start filling my slots. Next niche I am targeting is this Christmas niche, guys. Also, in addition to that, I know I tell you guys my niches. The anti-Fauci, arrest Fauci, those are still going strong. Cryptocurrency has made a tiny bit of a comeback. But yeah, overall, it's a lot of politically charged shirts, I would say, and one pontoon shirt.
Random pontoon shirt.
I made 20 of them. I mean, we used to have a pontoon boat, and they don't drive fast, so that's why it says "Catch Me If You Can."
Was that original?
Yeah, I made that.
Okay.
I just got a graphic from All Sunsets, which plugging All Sunsets, by the way.
Yes, link in the description, of course. But yeah, I mean, and that's the thing. It's nobody gets impressed by one sale, 70 cents, in a random niche that's not necessarily trending. But you can build a business around that, you know? And it really as Marielle scales up her account to, tier 1000 now, it's you can start transitioning away from, oh, it's Halloween Karen costume to
no, but I think
random pontoon boat shirts,
For me, in order to tier up, I had to follow niches, trending niches, or else the tier ups weren't happening for me. But yeah, I'm excited to start being able to do some more evergreeny stuff that just kind of sits there the pontoon boat stuff. But yeah, I mean
let's do a challenge.
Okay.
I'll make 2 designs for you and you do 2 designs, and let's try to sell a Chihuahua shirt.
Okay.
And let's see who can make the sale, but we'll do it in your account.
Okay, fine, but based on our separate designs, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
Deal?
Cool, but what does the winner get? Comment below on what you guys think the winner should get.
Today, I think we could just do what we did today. I'll send you flowers and you send me lunch.
Alrighty, perfect. Do you have anything else to add?
No, I think I'm gonna post this to my channel too, with your
Okay.
permission, of
Yeah,
course.
for sure.
Because I want to make fun of you making negative. If you guys, no, that's what we really want to hear is like in the comments. If you've seen a worse day than this, negative 15. Let us know.
Yes, that would be interesting to see.
There was a month though. That's what I wanted to reference before I forget. There was a January where it was like legendary returns,
Really?
and I thought it was gonna be like every January since then, but it wasn't. So I'm assuming it's probably like it's probably 2019 January. I can go back in my data and try to look.
Yeah.
But I mean, like the returns were just absurd.
I mean, I have a few. My return rate is pretty high overall. 42 returns is, I feel like, pretty high
Yeah.
for having only sold 600 products. That's a
It
lot.
would be cool if they let us see.
What products? Oh no,
Yeah,
they do.
and
let
then
you
also
see.
the trends that you've hit really hard have been like probably the most commonly returned niche,
Yeah, probably.
Halloween.
Yeah,
You know, because even the people who get it in time they rent their t-shirts.
Yeah,
and they send it back
exactly.
because it's Amazon.
I'm not gonna lie, I've done that before too. So
Yeah.
whatever.
All right.
But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below on the worst month that you guys have seen in terms of starting off with returns. And I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day.